All right, first things first. Get that math journal and glue your problem of the day on top. Pause the video to get it ready. Let's go through RDWW. Lucy had 7 pieces of taffy. Ooh, that's candy. She ate 2 on Monday and 2 on Tuesday. How many pieces does she have left? Let's think about this to understand. What's it telling us? Well, it's telling us she had 7 pieces of candy and she started to eat them. She ate 2 on Monday, 2 on Tuesday. So it's asking us how many she has left. Well, friends, you might do a multi-step problem here to get the answer. So I'm so interested in seeing your math drawings today. When you're drawing your candy, remember, they are in 5 groups. Nice, neat, organized work. Then you're going to write your number sentence that shows how you got to the final answer. So if you did a multi-step problem today, you might have 2 number sentences. I don't know. I can't wait to see this. And then you're going to write to answer the question. How many pieces does she have left? Lucy has blank pieces left. Your video is really important today. You need to talk to us about how you solved the problem and how you know your answer is right.